Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to cancel Capcut subscription. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to cancel your Capcut subscription, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Capcut application on your phone. Click on the profile button at the bottom right, which is titled Me. Once you click on Me, locate and click on View Details where you see your subscription plan. Now go ahead and click on Manage. Now once you click on Manage, you'll be taken to where to say your plans and billing. Then scroll down, you should see your active plan. Now go ahead and click on Cancel. Once you hit the Cancel button, you should say Cancel Auto Renewal or Keep Auto Renewal. In this case, just go ahead and click on Cancel Auto Renewal. Then you should see your subscription is cancelled. Now if you go back to Manage again and click on it, then you should say you need to restore your subscription if you want to continue. That's exactly how to cancel Capcut subscription. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.